Hello YouTube, welcome back again. It's the Freaky Flash and we're back with another one. It's the week threes guide. As you can see, my beard has actually grown quite a lot in this little space, but that's because I'm very rigorous with the routine. I'm brushing my beard 10 times, maybe even 20 times a day. I'm on my groove. I don't play around. Like, I'm serious about that stuff because that's how beard grows real quick. So for week three, the routine remains the same as in week two. Only difference is we're adding in the trims and the cuts, and we're doing that just because we want to guide our beard to grow naturally into a style that we want, right? And basically, how you're going to trim it and how you're going to line your beard is just the best way that it should look for your type of face. Your barber should be able to help you out with that. The only thing that you just need to keep in mind when choosing a barber is just to look for barbers that actually pay attention to the hygiene. So cutting on the street corner is fantastic because it's cheap, but at the same time, you just got to keep in mind that they don't necessarily keep the best hygiene when it comes to them clippers and everything. I mean, like, they may use methylated spirits, but don't forget that the cloth that they use to wipe it down and the brushes that they use to wipe it down, those are not being sterilized. So you want to find yourself a proper barber that's going to be able to just hook you up with a cut and then hit you up with the cleansers and toning, give you the full facial type of work. It'll be a little bit more expensive than on the street corner, but it is overall worth it because a lot of times when people get bumps and irritation stuff like that, it's literally because of dirty clippers. Not necessarily because of like ingrown hairs or anything like that. And also, if you're feeling pain and your skin is burning after getting a cut, then obviously you're not using the right barber, and you just gotta keep on exploring the options until you find the right one. I'm gonna just hit you up with the links and the IG for the barber that hit me up with a cut recently, and the dude was fantastic. I don't feel anything. It was beautiful. It was my first time using the guy, and I think he did a good job. So before I just show you that whole video of the cut, just remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, that little bell icon there, just so you can always know when the new videos have come out. And also, please don't forget to comment, ask me questions, give me your own routines and everything in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow us on all the different social networks to be apprised of whatever events are happening at the time, where we're going to be, just so we can have those face to faces. I think we're also going to be starting like a little master class in one of the events, and yeah, it's going to be great. So without further ado, let's just get into it. And I tell you right now, I don't have to say it unless you want me to, unless you want me to. You had me love, but now you trade me places. We were diamond rings, but now we're just suitcases. Oh, no, no. Say you'll leave everything for me. Stay with me every day, please. 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 Stay with me. Tell me right now that you wanna turn the clock back now, 'cause I'll start over. I'll be honest right now, 'cause I don't wanna watch you go, and you're holding on to my soul like I told you.